Want to learn how to delete your Snapchat account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. You can see that I am already logged in as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down. Under the support section, you can see an option of I need help. Tap on I need help. Through this, you'll be taken to the official help center of Snapchat itself. Now tap on this what can we help you with. Here you can tap on and enter delete account. You can see that for delete account, you have various options. So they have just particularly explained us about it. For this, you can see that to delete account, you need to go to accounts portal and type in the username. Tap on this accounts portal. You can see that you're onto the delete account section. Here, you need to enter your username and then your password. I have already entered my username. Now I'm going to tap on password below and enter it. You can also do the same. When you're done keeping both, tap on continue on the bottom. You can see that your account has been deactivated and they have just already told us that our account will be deactivated for the first 30 days and after the 30 days it will be deleted automatically. So if you want to reactivate it once again, you can simply go into the login section and enter your username, email, phone number with your password and get logged in. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.